Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Today, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 1 K54 Low. I don't really know much about the K54 other than it's a basketball event that occurs in Paris, France. And I'm also not going to regurgitate some internet research to pass off as knowledgeable in the matter. But I like this Air Jordan 1 design, so here we are. Love the color blocking on this. The pattern on the collar and the outsole color is what really attracted me to it. It's kind of a poppier version of the recently released particle gray lows. I can only choose one to purchase, is usually what I tell myself when I start to spend too much. So I chose this one instead. A little bit trickier to dress up though than the straight black, white and gray Jordans. But again, with my limited wardrobe and style sense, I think I've managed to make it work. Maybe. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.